question surrounding House Bill 2 is how exactly would it be enforced? Ashley McGeehan spoke with a local legal expert who says he's not so sure it can be. Tonight she's joining us live in the studio to let us know exactly what can be legally done to try and enforce this legislation. Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Bill. Well, from a legal standpoint, officials say this bill would actually be hard to enforce since it's a civil matter. Officials say unless a crime is actually committed, there isn't much law enforcement agencies can do if people use a bathroom that violates this law. House Bill 2 is now officially being implemented in North Carolina, and while it states transgender people have to use the bathroom that matches their birth certificate, Attorney Matthew Fleshman says this is going to be challenging for the state to enforce.
It's fairly unenforceable. I don't know how police agencies are going to enforce this other than what they've already been doing historically if a complaint is filed about somebody using the opposite bathroom.
CMPD officials sent us this statement when we asked how the police department will regulate this law, saying, quote, HB 2 mandates that public agencies shall require every multiple occupancy bathroom or changing facility to be designated for and only used by persons based on their biological sex. This new law does not provide for any criminal sanction or other legal remedy for a violation. In contrast, a private business can choose how to make their facilities available to their employees and customers.
It's unlikely, other than a user of a bathroom calling the police to bring them in for some other violation. Either there's some kind of an assault going on in a bathroom, or somebody clearly is of the opposite sex in the bathroom.
While House Bill 2 is a civil matter, officials say it does not have any sanctions for those who are caught breaking it.
The police just can't come up to you and say, show me your birth certificate or show me your driver's license. They don't have a right to do so if you're, for example, just walking on the street. Now, if they have a reason to believe a crime has been committed, some circumstance they may be able to ask those types of questions or actually witness a crime being committed, they can certainly ask.
Officials say CMPD's role will be limited enforcement, being able to send those sanctions only if a criminal act is committed, including indecent exposure, trespassing, and other criminal laws. Fleshman says while the argument was that this was to protect women and children in the bathrooms, that's not really what this does, because there's no civil or criminal sanction that will happen if you violate it. Bill?
Some interesting information right there, Ashley. Thank you. Now, Fleshman says he believes there will be more lawsuits filed against this bill, with so many people out there believing it to be unconstitutional. And from a legal standpoint, he believes it would actually be beneficial if this law got